Abushamama kwa bamfama ala media Ghana se ne dedi kan wo hwe me so be subscribe no wo follow yen wadi achi enzem bekoso wa Ghana bia no ye de bebrew na na de ni kire Abronye DC asoye ni TV station fe no hia TV ase woti obiese TV station we no ase so for Penny Duncan Williams honzam gwa na nse wa bekeka no honzam papa no oko interview ema ye bisa no ho asem wo se ono no sanzem na koso social media no on respond cause obi a se onu gidie bi se so bi kan honzem bi se social media na so respond e detect ana e kire directional wonam into own fee no papay and fee no Abronye asa be this time around there was say a year so for Penny Duncan Williams preachy say a year His Excellency John Mahama enko tetem na waboa asofo mako 25 ano mo bibia $10,000 one bibia $10,000 say omomoa na His Excellency John Mahama ensanso nko tetem na asemi ekoduru osofo Penny Duncan Williams asoye no one fanetra this time around they were reply no na reply a wadi amano no anya reply ketwa reply we ne de senior ensem wakagu na brabo so no wakese no with tons halanduru kababa me kase me cartons na he jabeto ofie abusia enti yanko hwe emra Abronye yidi kan ko hwe Abronye emra wo kase so for Penny akosia 25 pastors one more $10,000 each person be $10,000 say omwa na third term agenda ne mremu no ye wia ya san to aso akoso for Penny Duncan Williams wo ni akohwe emra no raise cases on Abronye American for Security and Tech Solution Service enfamount so we dumakuo bi wasi a factory anase company now per se security ye tie so per fence wall say ye electrify wo fence no enfamount na ye say ye ma wo CCTV cameras ai bitwa honum nyina na solar panels a ebeboa say light crack off wo honum endum na light begina 24/7 a me can for Security and Tech Solution Service the amount from na enu eni adwuma from 0244 571 977 and 020 670 9117.
I began the very Bible no say no crasa war. Produce I'm sure me table no so say never me them bag by me Bible no shit. Oso e sofu panina. O ma me ni nsia. Obetima kasa maja Barbara toba ayi ama ja toba aburu me nso matima kasa ama ja toba abu ba me ne mienu me matima dum me de no ama Bible na yese de no sitie na se de site bada kamera you can do it go unya clean se to me wo hodia o ma me ne nsia sakel no bia meka enwu nsia me kita Bible me ono so kita Bible Kasama janto babu mesuma kasama jantom na mom ye wia omunum no ye ba wie na obi babura se obi baburo so nse ati no make catch say fa una na to babi na me tra challenge ma say ye no kra pa say na me na kasa no wo kasa obejeli mi wo ayi spiritually enye je bia no ane se wo kọ abosom no wa wo kọ no wo kọ abosom kọ because ni nyame tumi bi a wo frema na ba me so that is a fact because you are going to call your saint and other spirit free nyame and also the ba mani ma megu na ni ma flat because wo free nyame ma ni ntie nti commanding ma wa sorry man ni uni ma every na kono wa sorry man ni uni say we are so powerful. Because I would tell him spiritually, and say, "One crop for would know Mutirino, who fled from Mubet to my Bibiana, or Baba catch or say, Aquanos would." So I'm back on the crutch because we just come on Macasay, or Munia who the catcher praying. Say, Mamma dear, Mammy Yamina clean, but dear, clean. That is a fact. Now, who commit in flat 25 passes here? Now what describe other pastors they say oh what they yes ya han ye frase yes ye kasa the other members of the Christian community or small boy they will start also preaching ye kasa omutie nti ya baka no ye ne ye wo voice wo Ghana ha nti ye mfrase mfantum se o that time bed in a bay ye or come inside a bay ye nti 2028 no ye nsan mfan nkobie o babo no a ekita wa wudi preaching no ano beja babo no Sunday a ebai na kachire wa sore masai Abronye say you had a meeting with 25 pastors. How would the agenda to a mutim say they should start preaching the 10th bit? Say Nipanaba Twaso, Akosi 2032. Now Abronye Bois into war commande. This is your Bible. Peja Bible no factory. That can real. This is a challenge. Obiantiemi, I am challenging Duncan Williams to say. On Peja Bible say on the pastors 25 NCI. I'm an country almost say woman started 10 agenda no and preaching to our master man. Now other churches in the such I suffer for 25 no. Woman a one voice or more maka small boys. Until no more kasa a fana obia or was sort of Biana Betty so yam paying for one cry no kasa until Paninu we are Casadia and the yam fat not to say any parabet Marco Miansa. Peja Bible said you never had that meeting. Peja Bible China say such a meeting no and you're not credit and Kosua Babia. Peja Bible China Peja Bible China say South for 25 now do Amukoya Ocaso. And that churches in the small. And to Amokaso Ghana, how be anti about Omonity and the Amomoka, no more the Amomo church members. Peja Bible China Nakatri Yankupon said after the meeting, no one must suffer for $10,000 here now. Peja Bible for Chile. That is a challenge. I'm a demand. Peja Bible said I suffer for 25 now from no. So Mumfrasi and Kasana or more Macana small betty and who describe what be a watin sorry. What describe Pentecost a ye Eda. Our control the congregation will be what describe when they say oh Kasa or money there small boys. Individual be a be na sorry ma sorry na tumpono. Wo ko meeting a wo ko $1 ntino wo si o se momo frase e kan individual na ono ate na sorry sorry na tumpon to say church like ebi akiri abosom na sorry na ekoso no wo say momo kasa wo mo no de e small nto mbetie you gave them $10,000 wona agi scan che Peja Bible china wiam say meeting one pastors biansia na nya nokora say one sa pastors ni sia no after the meeting you gave them $10,000 to preach the 10th agenda Peja Bible factory wiem Peja Bible factory wiem say one panyin nkonko ye meeting say obetima kona obeboa no ma 10th agenda na baso na Peja Bible factory wiem na so Peja Bible no ria the gods of the tender no be decided between me no. Peja Bible factory wiem. Say one trase and susu ho say. Tete agenda no wo be dia ne mu ama na bam na onim hawa wo be preachi ama saade na koso ana. Peja Bible no. Peja Bible no factory wiem. Eti anya and cry and yes, office. Let him round up here. May come what you say, my true challenge in the amount. Say in that meeting, you share $10,000. A year da Prophet Nanjegezi, the Buafu. I didn't tell Prophet Nanjegezi in the Buafu. I want people for my summer mobile. A brave Prophet Nanjegezi Buafu say. What is it, Duncan Williams? After some pastors. Any panina kwakosia so deep or some to the president, you know. Beyond 2028 year, a year. And I offer pastors and ministers of God will be no. And I'm McCoy. Producers, they are breaking man.
There have been a couple of social media posts in the past 2 weeks. One by a former High Commissioner of the UK to Ghana accusing you of certain things, and also some local politician also making some claims. His party has come to dissociate themselves from that. But since you're speaking to the media for the first time, do you want to make any comment?
I wouldn't want to dwell on it that much because I'm used to these kind of media misrepresentations over the years. This is my 47 year in ministry, and I've seen the outcome of such individuals. I think that people should not make any mistake that the fact that you attack people and discredit people and throw stones at others, and for whatever reason you think you are free, nothing has happened to you, make no mistake, it's a lie. I've seen the implications of these things. I've seen these kinds of people over the years and the decades. They never end well. And that is all I'll say. That before you throw stone at someone else, examine yourself. Because the woman that was caught in adultery, there was an error there. It takes two to commit adultery, but they left the man and brought the woman. That was the first thing there. Secondly, everybody had a stone to stone the woman. Jesus said, anyone among you who is not guilty of something and who is without sin, let him throw the first stone. And everybody dropped their stone and walk away. And I think that some of these things is the hypocrisy of the human nature, where everybody is guilty of something and yet they have the audacity to throw stones at others. So all I'll say to some of these individuals, before you throw your stone and cut your stone at me, please examine yourself, see where you stand. Because where I'm wrong and guilty may not be where you are wrong and guilty, but you are guilty of something. The Bible says, if the Lord shall count iniquity, who shall stand? So all I'll say here is, I've seen the end result of such individuals over the years, without mentioning names. All that I'm putting it out there and let it go on record, that there are implications for touching people and pointing finger at others. When you point this finger, the rest points at you. You know, one of the things I've learned about some of these social media's attack is the fact that whatever you pay attention to determines your direction. So I choose not to pay attention on some of these things so that it doesn't determine my direction in life.
You had the audacity to lie and to say that I gathered 25 bishops, gave them $10,000 each to pray for President Mahama to go another term. You think I'm a kid? Who do you think you are? You are just a beginner. How long have you lived? How many battles have you? He's a baby. I feel restless. I couldn't sleep the whole night. Restlessness. I couldn't sleep. And I said, what generation is this? Who are these people that are so transactional? You can build relationship with them. You don't return people's calls. You make promises, you don't keep it. Who do you think you are? You are just a beginner. How long have you lived? How many battles have you fought? How many incurable diseases have you conquered? Have you conquered cancer before? That you are bluffing people who are survivors in life. Masanta kunda salan within 72 hours. Dula isala aman sulun divalan kihan sulahana wahasalin dikatum. Interpret it. 72 hours. Interpret it. Then you will know the difference. You know the difference. That's all I'll say. Let their defenses depart from them. Let what is meant to be an advantage unto them become a disadvantage. Let their honor turn into dishonor, and let their favors let their favors turn into disfavor. Yea, let their access turn into scandal. Masalan, Kusan, Feli, Atunda, Kansulan. Let the table that favors them become a snare unto them. Let their defenses depart. Let them be disinherited by another, and let another take their office. Let them err at unawares. Let them err at unawares. Musala Kazila. Musala Kazila. Don't ask me who has offended him. Nobody has offended me. I've just been watching over the years. And I go on the internet, social media, people lie. They lie. Somebody had the audacity to lie and to say that I gathered 25 bishops, gave them $10,000 each to pray for President Mahama to go another term. You think I'm a kid? Go another term for what? The Constitution doesn't allow that. It doesn't. And if that is what I believe, I don't have to gather 25 bishops and give them money to pray. I can pray myself. And if that is what I believe, I can come out publicly and say it. I'm not afraid of you. I'm not afraid of you and your party. If I believe that, I will come out and I'll say it. And I'm entitled to my belief. You can't do me anything. But that is not what I believe. And that is not what he believes. So why are you setting me up? Why are you spreading lies? And there are people who, for whatever they don't even think, they hear, that Duncan Williams, he's praying, What is wrong with you? Then someone says, you, who are you? Believing lies.
Abusia ene da hono Abronye sisia no bia bia ne nsem ne nam no sia wa provoke so pani mo pega ne nsa koyom command angels alandru hamba baba kaish mekasa mekabro meka tons na ha abusia eja betofia entinzemi ye ni du akire ne be koso ne be tato bia no Island Media Ghana yede ba besomo